This is Tanvir Kazmi with my news channel, See the World Through. Again, I'm here to discuss the very important, my own analysis on this week. Indian movie released in the United States, which finally I decided to go. But I was sad to see how what are we doing, spending resources on, creating hate, creating, showing murders and deaths, showing all kind of negative ideas, giving ideas young generation. There are millions and millions of people who watch those movie, and we're showing the pieces of bodies, and we're killing each other in the name of countries. What are we doing? We've done nothing except destructions. Are we not? Can we not make movies to unite people, to give them idea how to live successfully? If country has a problem to each other, why can't they talk? We cannot put secret agencies mines each other's countries and secretly destroy them, kill them, and make such a dangerous moves which destroys. This movie was nothing but destruction and hate and all kind of bad ideas to how to destroy each other. This is this kind of movie industry has done a great damage since 1970s. Before there was no movie, there was no electricity, and people not having that much crime. But this movie industry has done extreme, major damage to all of the world. They are because to making money, they give negative ideas, they lie, they write script which has mostly contains incorrect information and lie information because countries hate each other, they fight each other on based on religion. Mostly countries, if you see in the world, are divided based on the religious backgrounds, their beliefs. So then they put blame on each other. They show wrong information to their billions of people that the other countries has done this to us, so we are allowed to do this to them. Listen, guys, read all holy book you have. It continues tells you, oh, children of Adam, oh, one family spread. There's one Bhagwan, one God. We all know that this entire world is running with no problem. The sun is serving us, moon is serving us, and earth is giving us food. Everything is because there's one creator who is running your entire system. We all know there's one God. Then that God does not want us to divide. If we have differences, we can sit down and talk to each other. But country concept is not there. He only Holy Book says, Quran says, "O children of Adam, beware of the Satan, the devil, the Rakshas. He is your open enemy. He divides you. He hates you. He does not like you to rule the entire universe. So beware." Creating those movies based on few incidents, we do not show the truth. We just show that we are victim, but we don't know how much we have done damage to other countries. Thousands and thousands of people are killed due to bombs other countries. So let's not create those bad the things which we have already done. Yes, there was problem because we did not talk to each other. We hate each other based on because those people eat meat of cow, that's we hate them. Because that person do this, we hate them. Country concept is not there in your any holy book. Oh, children of Adam and Eve, oh, children of Adam, unite. Let's talk to each other. Forget about countries. Forget about that. Think about your family spread out. Look at your body. Look at your eyes. Do you not see 8.5 billion people have same eyes? Same kind of eyes, nose, mouth, teeth, hairs, body structure. What that tells you? That tells you that you're one family spread all over the world. One structure. That's why we have to come to the book of God which tells you unite. So if there's a dispute, there's the law. If somebody's doing bad thing, go through law and properly talk to people and try to convince people to protect you and your family and your countries. Let's not hate, create hate and violence and murders and destruction. Give negative ideas to billions of people to how to take revenge, how to secretly destroy father through his daughter, how to destroy somebody, kill somebody through his wife to poison him. These are negative ideas you're giving. They will not doing nothing except further destruction. Humanity is suffering. So let's make good movies based on truth, not based on the written script given to you by the people who hate each other. Let's love each other. Let's make something we can unite. Talk to each other. Every time you fight, as I always says, think about one house. You have two children, you have three children, or five members. There's always a conflict, always has issues, always a disagreement, even husband and wife. How much divorce rate is happening in the world right now? So when you cannot expect a perfection in your house, how can you expect that billions of people will unite and have no troubles? So you will have trouble all the time. Rakshas is here, the devil, Satan is here. They continue to divide us. So we have to come back to the path of God, one nation under one God, family of Adam spread all over the world. Let's share knowledge. Let's share any problem you have openly. Do not create any spy agencies. Spy mean you are doing one side, you're watching somebody what you do and you're reporting. Investigation is allowed, spying is not allowed. Investigation allows a person both to talk to each other and give both equal opportunity to give about defense, person who's accusing, the person who was accused, both has equal chance to defend themselves. Spying mean as a human being you're taking somebody's secret life information and then use that against that to destroy that person without thinking that's human being. So let's change ourselves. Let's not continue to create movies to destroy and make money. Let's not create for a few dollars or few rupees. You wanna create to destroy. Movie mean if 1 billion people watch, you poison the 1 billion people's minds. New generation will watch those movies and they will think this truth. These movies are so dangerous, they look so real because of technology. Let's not do it. Do not create hate. Make some movies to help each other, to dialogue each other. Let's change. Otherwise, the hereafter, the next life, there will not be chance for any person who created unrest on this the earth of God to live in peace. You have seen how much punishment will be over here, over there. The fire of hell. There was no chance to get out. The person will never die. Let's not do this, and let's help each other so we can go to heaven, best place to live forever. And that's the ultimate player for everybody. Let's make peace between people. Let's change. Take care. See you next time. Bye.